Hey everybody, today I gotta head out to Clermont. I gotta install some address numbers that were installed a few months ago, but the city wasn't happy with it, so I need to install a second set on the same corner but on the opposite side. This time I got this 55-foot boom. Last time I had a tow behind lift and it wasn't quite tall enough. This one will reach that site, no problem. Full of equipment, all kinds of stuff. All that's locked up because this truck doesn't belong to me, but I don't need any of that stuff. I want to be in this bucket right here, and it's gonna take me up, like I said, 55 feet. And I'm kind of excited to get started. We're racing the storm, so we gotta get moving. All right, let me go ahead and climb in here and get this baby started. Head on out to Clermont. All right. Ooh, that seat's hot. So we'll the glow plugs warm up. Alright, we're here. There's no traffic in these buildings whatsoever, so it should be a fairly straightforward install. Alright. These buildings are brand new, so they're not filled up yet. They just have to pass inspection. First location, let's go ahead and start setting this baby up. Come on, check this out. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting set up to start drilling holes in these walls. Cool. This is kind of funny in here. You gotta be really flexible to get in and out of this bucket. All right. On our way up. I remember when I first did this job, it was just the lift was really wobbly in the wind. I just didn't trust it, and every time I hit the button, it would go wobbling back and forth. Whew. Somebody in a kayak out there on the lake again. That's cool. Well, it took a while to get into position here, because this one I remember being really far away from the parking lot. So this one was a real stretch, but we reached it just fine. I've got the template taped up. I'm about to drill each one of these little holes out, and that way I can fit the letters in using these little studs and some silicone and stuff like that. So, all right, cool. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, that's it. That's the last hole for this building. Now it's a matter of just sticking the numbers in here. So I'm pretty sure I got all the holes here. You gotta double check so that you don't have to backtrack. But yeah, you can take the template down. That's what's left, the little holes. Now silicone up the studs and stick the letters on in. All right. go. Last one. There. I think I had an issue last time with the O's. They were marked properly. So I had to re-drill one of the holes, but that's it. That's the one we're looking for. All right, now let's head on back down. Let's see, best course of action. Here we go. I do kind of enjoy this, you know. I like doing this more than I like wrapping cars and stuff. If I'm gonna be out in the heat, I might as well be just doing something really cool like this. I like this truck. It's a bit bouncy though. But we got 2 more buildings to do, so right on, let's do this. Last one. Whew. That was the last hole. And just in time too. Let's check it out. Big old storm coming in. That's good, spectacular. Look at that. That's all rain underneath of it. Great big old cumulonimbus, big old supercell. That's awesome. And the really neat thing about this area is that it's really hilly. So like you could go like that over there is a Walmart. And I've been in that Walmart before. And you could overlook all these neighborhoods and stuff. So you get a really good sense of scale out here, and I like it. This is one of the few places that are really hilly here in Central Florida. And that storm's coming in pretty good. So let's go ahead and finish up. Whew, that's the last one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and get out of here. And yeah, that storm is rolling in. It's looking absolutely spectacular though from up here. All right. Well, like I said, I'm gonna pack it in and head on out. This job is done. So I appreciate you guys very much. Thank you for watching, and like always, take care.